Well, hello YouTube. Have you ever wanted to make your own flavored coffee creamer? Tonight we're going to do that. This is my wife Stephanie.
Hello.
She's the master chef of the kitchen, and we're going to do this. These are the things that you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need some milk, some dark corn syrup, some cornstarch, a half a tablespoon measuring thing. Okay, the things you guys are going to need is a pan, a cup, measuring device, and then for our flavoring we're going to use espresso and coca, which is going to make a mocha flavored coffee creamer. And we're going to need some milk, some condensed milk, some almond extract. This is dark corn syrup, and this is cornstarch. This is a half a teaspoon. And this is the full tablespoon. Okay, first you're going to do the sweetened condensed milk. I forgot to add that it is sweetened. You're going to put the whole can in, which is a 14-ounce can. I got this just to see if it would work better. I'm scraping all this stuff out of here because it's thick in these cans. It's condensed, so it's not like regular milk, obviously.
Alright, next we're going to do 2 cups of milk. And 1 tablespoon of your dark corn syrup. Here, will you scrape that out for me? It's sticky too. Half a tablespoon of your almond extract. And then a half a teaspoon of your cornstarch.
Now we're off to the stove, guys. We're going to turn the heat up to medium, and then stir your mixture. It's going to be real thick right now. That's normal. The ingredients have to sink together.
And it's going to heat on medium for 6 to 8 minutes.
We'll go ahead and check it at 6 minutes. We'll see you in 6 minutes. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you this. I just tasted this. It is kind of super thick still in the pan. It's been heating up for 4 minutes. And it's still super thick and super sweet. So we're going to just go ahead, and we've done this before and it was too sweet then. But we're going to go ahead and add another full cup of milk to the mixture. And let that cook together. Okay guys, now it's time to mix in the flavor part.
Alright, a half a teaspoon of your espresso powder. And 1.5 tablespoons of your cocoa powder.
This doesn't have to be exact measurements, guys. It's just a base for what you guys need to make the flavor creamer.
And then just let it warm up so that your cocoa and your espresso powder break down.
We're going to let it break down and we'll let you know how long it takes. If you just continue to let it heat for a little while, take the little clumps. You got to mix it up, obviously. Right? Take the little clumps and just kind of smash them up against the wall of the pan. They'll break down easily. Well, eventually, I mean. Obviously, this is the baseline for your own flavored creamer. Stuff's getting expensive at the stores, and I'd rather be able to make our own at home. Now just take it off your heat, and it's broke down about as well as it's going to. is gonna let it cool down a little bit. We're gonna put ours in mason jars. I guess you do something to minimize that mess, but it's just a mess around the kitchen. And clean it up. So I made a whole jar. And some, actually.
Still got a little bit left.
If you guys enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and comment down below. You can experiment also, use your own types of flavoring for this. The condensed milk in the milk is just the base. So you can do basically whatever you want with it. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.